So I picked up this interesting, it was 7.62 British crate ammo can holder. And it's pretty cool. It holds 4 cans in one spot. And so it was OD green, but I decided to paint it black. And I decided to paint the ammo cans red and black. And the reason I did that is I put first aid kit stuff in here and other stuff, ammo, fire making stuff, you know, that type of stuff for in the car. And if you have a Jeep or an MG, or not MG, Jeep or Humvee, you can bolt it down so that nobody can walk away with it, and then just find a way to lock it up. All right, that's it. Just 4 ammo cans painted, and the top and bottom that lock it up.